Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you the most common invoicing mistakes business owners make and how you can avoid them so you can get paid faster and keep your cash flow healthy. We'll be using QuickBooks as an example because it makes invoicing way easier, and honestly, it's what I use for my businesses to stay organized. The good news is you can avoid most of these mistakes with a little know-how and AI automation, so let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the biggest invoicing mistakes I've made in the past. When I first started working with clients, I'd mess up invoice numbers, forget to add payment terms, or send invoices with the wrong totals. I've also sent invoices to outdated client emails, which delayed payment by weeks, and it was honestly embarrassing because it made me look super unprofessional. These aren't just minor hiccups. Such errors can severely impact your cash flow by delaying payments and even damage your professional reputation, making clients question your reliability. These small mistakes added up and made it hard to track what was paid, confused my books, and created a ton of stress when it came to reconciling my accounts during tax season. If you're a business owner, you probably know the feeling of thinking you got paid only to realize you messed up your own invoice. Beyond the stress, these errors can also lead to inaccurate financial reporting, making it difficult to assess your business's true financial health and make informed decisions about growth or investments. So how do you avoid these mistakes? One of the best things that I've learned is to keep your invoice details organized. Every invoice should clearly show who it's from, where it's going to, the invoice number, due date, and exactly what you're charging for. You should also include details like taxes and payment methods. Think of your invoice as a critical communication tool. Clarity here is paramount for both your client's understanding and your own operational efficiency. Ambiguity in pricing or terms can breed disputes and payment delays. This isn't just to look professional. It's to make your life easier when it's time to reconcile your accounts and match what's in your bank with your books. For example, if you're charging for 3 hours of consulting and a software fee, you can break that out clearly so there's no confusion. Accurate and detailed invoices are the foundation of sound bookkeeping. They ensure proper revenue recognition, simplify tax preparation, and give you a precise understanding of your service profitability. The best way to stay accurate when it comes to any numbers in the business is to let digital tools and automations handle repetitive data. With QuickBooks, every time a client pays, my books automatically update in real time, which means less manual data entry and way fewer errors. Automating your invoicing and payment tracking frees up valuable time that you can reallocate to core business activities like client acquisition, product development, or strategic planning, ultimately boosting your overall productivity. Even with automation, it's worth giving every invoice a final check as a final safeguard to ensure everything is accurate, especially taxes and totals before hitting send. While automation minimizes human error, a quick review of crucial details acts as a final safeguard, ensuring accuracy and maintaining your professional image. QuickBooks also automatically matches payments to the correct invoice, so I'm not sitting there trying to figure out which payment goes with which invoice. It just does it for me, and that has saved me so much time. This automatic reconciliation is incredibly valuable because it not only saves you administrative hours, but also provides real-time insights into your financial standing, which is crucial for making timely business decisions. QuickBooks now features a smart, powerful combination of Intuit AI agents, which is like having a digital teammate for your cash flow. It can flag issues, reconcile your accounts, and even help optimize when and how you get paid. It can also handle tasks like sending invoices, tracking payments, and updating your books, so you don't have to worry about the small stuff that can slip through the cracks. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it works best when paired with human oversight and strategic direction. Regularly reviewing your automated reports ensures data integrity and helps you remain fully aware of your financial landscape. If you want to see how AI automation in QuickBooks can help you save time and help you avoid common bookkeeping mistakes, I'll put a link below so you can check it out. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and building your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.